today another beautiful idea for quick dinner. We're gonna make gnocchi. So we've got boiling water here for pasta, and hot pan, olive oil. Pan is hot already. We put in our chopped white onion. Let it sweat off for a few minutes. Full power, full gas, heat on. Right, at this stage when onion is getting a little brown, it's time to add garlic. Nice chopped garlic into the pan. Just get it sweat off as well, same as onion. You can add a little bit of olive oil because it's soaked into the onion. Aroma is amazing. Now the water is boiling, so it's time to add our gnocchi. You can make your own gnocchi, but here is all about fast, quick dinner ideas, and you can also get very good quality gnocchi in the shop. So this is salted boiling water. I put the gnocchi in, and it's gonna take around a few minutes. As soon as the gnocchi come up to the surface, you're gonna strain it. Right, so now I'm gonna add just a little bit touch of chili. I know probably nobody do that, but I like this little hint. You can't feel it spicy, but you will feel like you will have another spoon of sauce when you try it. That's what the chili does. Mild chili. A few halves cherry tomato. It's giving nice crunch into our sauce. Baby spinach leaves, nicely already washed. Now I'm going to add lovely chopped tomato. Tomato are in, of course we're gonna season to taste, so some pepper and salt. Would be nice to add some fresh basil. Unlikely I didn't find any in our shop today. However, it will be still a very nice dish. I've got some lovely oregano, dry, just 2 pinches. And we're gonna taste our sauce. It's boiling slowly, but what's important, some tomatoes are more sweet, some more sour. So we're gonna try if this is good enough. It's good. However, I'm gonna just add just a little bit of sugar. Look, all the gnocchi came to the surface. It took around 3 minutes, no more than that. So it's time to strain it. Last touch, last try. Let's see how it tastes. Very good. But what we could do, just give a little sharpness to our sauce, and that's going to be balsamic vinegar. Just a few drops. We add in our feta cubes. Just stir it gently so you still keep the pieces. It's lovely, cooked to perfection. Gnocchi. All go into the sauce. Once again, we just stir it gently. Our pasta dish is beautiful and it's ready to eat. Look at this, feta is still lovely pieces there. Now I don't have a basil as I said before, however we can garnish this with few baby spinach leaves. There you go, splash with good quality olive oil. Alright, so another dish for the quick dinner ideas is ready.